You've been involved in an accident with a driver that has left the scene. What do you do? Hi, my name is Michelle Candela. I'm an attorney with the Draper Law Office, and we specialize in helping accident victims in the Orlando area. I want to tell you today what you can do if you are involved in an accident and you find that the driver has left the scene. Now, accidents are traumatic experiences. It's a horrible thing to have to go through, and it's even worse if you're in a scenario where there's a hit-and-run driver. So what can you do actually at the scene of the accident? Well, first and foremost, you want to pay attention. Get medical help for anyone that needs it. Health and safety always has to come first. Next, you want to observe the other driver. If they're exhibiting signs of extreme nervousness, not wanting to call the police, not wanting to exchange information, you may want to take your cell phone out and snap some pictures of the other vehicle, perhaps the license plate. This is going to help you to document in the event that the driver did leave the scene. There's multiple reasons why a driver may leave the scene of an accident. Sometimes it's a situation where there's a DUI. Sometimes they're wanted by law enforcement. We don't know what those reasons are. One thing you should not do is ever chase or pursue the other driver. Do not ever attempt to restrain the other driver. This is for law enforcement. Your job is to ensure that everyone at the scene gets medical attention and call the police when necessary. What can really help you out is using your cell phone at the scene of the accident. Now, not everyone walks around with a pencil and paper in their hands, but almost everybody has their cell phone on them nowadays. And it can be critical when you're at the scene of an accident to just shoot some pictures. That can really help you to document things that you may not remember later on. It's very important to get some information before you leave the scene, especially if the other driver has left, such as witnesses, contact information for witnesses, and what information they may have observed. If you find you're in a situation where the driver has left the scene, call the police. Law enforcement will come, take documentation, and it's possible that that driver may be found, but it's also possible that the police may never locate them. That's why it's very important that you always report the claim, the accident, to your own insurance company. Even though the other driver may never be found, if you have purchased uninsured motorist coverage, you may still be able to proceed forward with a claim through your own insurance company. If you or someone you know has been involved in a hit-and-run accident and you have any questions, pick up the phone and call me. My name is Michelle Candela. We handle these cases at our firm all the time, and I'd be happy to help you.